Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In this video, we are going to change our old and boring looking map with the high quality satellite map. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the script which we are going to install into a FiveM server. I'll provide the link in the description below. You just need to click on code and download the script. After installing the script, you just need to extract the file. Now open the file. So this is the file of our satellite map. In here we got two additional options. First one is the map with grids and the second one is map without grids. So I personally prefer map without grids. To install map without grids, you just need to open this file. Then you have to copy all the contents of the file. After that, open the map file. Then go to stream. Then paste your copied file over here and click on replace. Just like this. After that, copy this file and paste it into your FiveM resource folder. So I'll be pasting it over here. Just like this. So that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now. As you can see over here, this is our high quality satellite map which we have installed over here. As you can see, this map is without grids. And over here, you can see the postal codes and street names and everything related to Los Santos locations. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.